Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best energy powder is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to boost your energy levels on the go, offering a quick and efficient solution for those moments when you need a pick-me-up without the crash. These portable packets are designed to dissolve easily in water, transforming a simple drink into a powerful revitalizer, perfect for busy mornings, intense workouts, or long study sessions, ensuring you stay focused and energized throughout your day. With a variety of flavors and formulations available, finding the right energy powder to suit your taste and needs has never been easier, making it an essential addition to your daily routine for sustained vitality. Number 5. Skittles Singles To Go Tropical Flavors Variety Pack. Introducing Skittles Singles To Go. Now you can enjoy the iconic taste of Skittles wherever life takes you. It's the perfect way to add a burst of fruity flavor to your day. Explore a world of tropical tastes with our variety pack. You'll get to experience 4 exciting fruit flavors in every box, offering a delightful surprise with each sip. These single-serving drink mix sticks are designed for ultimate convenience. Easily take the fun and flavor of Skittles with you to the office, the gym, or on your next adventure. Making your flavored water is incredibly simple. Just pour one stick into a bottle or glass of water, mix it up, and enjoy a delicious, refreshing drink instantly. Get creative and become a water talk sensation. Mix and match our flavors to invent your own unique beverage recipes and discover your new favorite combinations. Each box contains 30 individual servings, ensuring you have plenty of flavorful options to keep your water exciting. Enjoy a different taste every time. What we like. If you love candy flavors and want a fun way to drink more water, this is for you. It offers a variety of popular candy tastes in convenient single-serving packets. You should choose this if you're looking for a nostalgic and enjoyable hydration experience, especially if you have a sweet tooth. What people say. The powder dissolves easily in water, making it convenient to prepare. Provides a good energy boost without any jitters or crash. The individual packets are perfect for on-the-go use. Number 4. HydroMATE Electrolyte Powder Variety Pack. Are you feeling drained, fatigued, or dehydrated? These electrolyte powder packets are your instant solution to recharge your body and restore balance. Packed with essential minerals like vitamin C, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, it's designed to keep you hydrated and energized. This is the clean, sugar-free choice for hydration. It's crafted for health-conscious individuals and fitness enthusiasts. These travel-friendly packets provide instant hydration with ease. They ensure you stay refreshed wherever life takes you. With 30 easy-to-use packets, this solution offers 3x more hydration than water. It's the perfect, healthier alternative to sugary drinks. What we like. If you need to quickly replenish essential minerals and stay energized, this is a great option. It's designed for rapid hydration with key minerals and is a clean, sugar-free choice. You should consider this if you are a fitness enthusiast, on a keto journey, or simply prioritizing wellness and need a healthy hydration boost. What people say. The powder dissolves easily in water. It provides a sustained energy boost without jitters. The convenient packets make it easy to take on the go. Number 3. Sunkist Soda Singles To Go Variety Pack. Introducing Sunkist Soda Singles To Go. Enjoy the classic taste of your favorite Sunkist flavors anytime, anywhere. Quench your thirst with 4 delicious options: orange, grape, strawberry, and peach. It's a burst of fruity refreshment in every sip. Our individually portioned packets make it easy to take the signature Sunkist flavor with you. Perfect for your car, work, or any adventure. Making your favorite drink is a breeze. Just pour one stick into water, stir or shake, and enjoy a perfectly flavored beverage. You can indulge without the guilt. These drink mixes are sugar-free and caffeine-free, offering pure flavor without the calories. Each box provides 30 convenient servings, ensuring you have plenty of your favorite powdered drink mix on hand whenever you need a refreshing treat. What we like. If you miss the taste of soda but want a sugar-free alternative, this is perfect. It brings the signature flavors of Sunkist to your water without the sugar or caffeine. Choose this if you are looking for a guilt-free way to enjoy familiar, refreshing soda tastes throughout your day. What people say. The orange flavor has caffeine in its ingredients. The flavor is not overpowering and reminds me of a lime Ricky. The Sunkist soda variety pack singles to go is a delightful treat for anyone looking to enjoy their favorite soda flavors without the hassle of cans or bottles. With 30 sticks in total, featuring 4 vibrant flavors, orange, strawberry, grape, and peach, this variety pack offers a convenient and flavorful way to stay refreshed on the go. Number 2. Bloom Nutrition Sparkling Energy Drink Variety Pack. Experience a steady energy kick without the crash. Made with zero sugar and natural caffeine, each can provide the boost you need. These drinks are thoughtfully crafted with prebiotics and antioxidant-rich extracts. They are vegan, gluten-free, and support your wellness journey. Indulge in refreshingly fizzy energy drinks bursting with delicious, fruit-forward flavors. Enjoy vibrant tastes without artificial ingredients. Feel good with functional ingredients that promote mental focus. They help you crush your goals and overcome that midday slump. Inspired by a personal wellness transformation, this brand offers high-quality products to help women bloom into their best selves. What we like. If you need a clean energy boost without the crash, this is an excellent choice. It provides natural caffeine and is packed with antioxidants and prebiotics for overall wellness. You should opt for this if you are seeking sustained energy, metabolism support, and a drink that aligns with a health-conscious lifestyle. What people say. This is a great product. It has a good taste and is easy to mix. I love this product. It gives me the energy I need to get through my day. This product is a lifesaver. It has helped me to stay focused and alert. Number 1. Juicy Splash Sugar-Free Electrolytes Powder. Feeling drained after workouts or long days? Don't let dehydration slow you down. Recharge fast with our science-backed electrolyte powder, trusted by professionals for peak performance. It hydrates your body 3x faster than water, helping you bounce back quicker. Experience vibrant fruit flavors with just picked taste, sweetened naturally with USDA-certified stevia. Enjoy sparkling refreshment with no bitter aftertaste or artificial ingredients. It's pure satisfaction with 0 calories. Go beyond hydration with essential vitamins to keep you energized and sharp. This formula speeds up recovery and boosts stamina, fitting seamlessly into any lifestyle. It's perfect for those on keto, low-carb, or intermittent fasting. Carry just 5 g of powder for instant hydration on the go. It slips easily into your bag, ready whenever you need it. Our powder dissolves instantly in 2 seconds for smooth, refreshing hydration without any hassle. We're dedicated to making hydration simple and sustainable. Our sugar-free electrolyte powder is crafted with naturally sourced ingredients and packaged in recyclable materials. Just mix 1 packet into water for a quick, refreshing boost. What we like. If you need fast and effective hydration with a focus on natural ingredients, this is ideal. It's designed to hydrate you 3x faster than water and uses real fruit flavors and clean ingredients. You should choose this if you are an athlete needing quick recovery, lead an active lifestyle, or simply want a healthy, great-tasting way to stay hydrated. What people say. This is a great product for energy. I love the convenience of these packets. The flavor is also really good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.